Welcome at Rani's Handcraft, and today's video we are going to make pencil box or pencil case or pencil pouch, uh, zipper decor, means a zip decor. Okay, so you can say the zip design also. So take any old bangle and take this plus. Okay, and now you just have to do like the way I'm going to show you. And okay guys, you like this video, share with your friends and family. So this thing that I'm using, it's called a plus. Okay, and also subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, comment and suggestions or anything about this video, and also follow my sister on StarMaker. The links are given in the description box. And if you're having any problem in understanding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, and whatever challenges are having, just comment me now. I will surely make them. Okay, and yes guys, I've created some playlist. If you haven't seen them, you can check them out. The link is in the description box. Okay, and after 1000 subscribers I will be doing my face reveal video, and after 1 lakh subscribers I will be doing that Q&A part 2 with face reveal. If you haven't seen Q&A part 1, you can check the link in the description. And after 1 million subscribers I will be doing how I did my videos. So I need 1000 subscribers by October 2021. Now take any color and color the thing that we have, means color the bangle. Okay, after you make it like this, so it's like the upper side is a bit bigger. Okay, and the below portion is little bit small. Okay, so you have to do like this way only. So I'm using my hands for coloring only. You can use paintbrush too, because we use paintbrush for coloring only. Okay, whatever guys, and so I hope that you will enjoy this video. Okay, so let's continue. So now let us keep this thing aside for 15 minutes, so it will get dried. And after it gets dried, you just need to take any old bangle and break it. So I had a old bangle which was broken only, so I don't need to break it again. But you have to break it if you don't have. But if you are having any new bangle, don't break it. Okay, if it gets old, then only do this. Okay, and now we'll have to put the broken bangle inside the thing that we made. Okay, the green color, you can do any other color also. Now then you have to put it inside the that thing, the zip in your, not a zip, means the what can we say, the zip only in your pencil pouch. Okay, and cover it with the help of sellotape so that no one will get hurt also. So I will do it afterwards. Let's see. So our zipper design or zipper decor is ready and it's looking awesome, guys. Sorry for the light problem, you can see it properly, so I'm showing it in you and PIP picture in picture in the screen only, that how it looks. Okay, so again sorry for the light problem. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. So thanks for watching, thanks for your help and support. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. But before that, I will write here pencil case. Okay, so it's working. Bye. You haven't seen these videos? Why? I think you haven't checked out my channel, but no problem, you can check them now. These two videos, go check now. Bye.